Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a heat Ditra install. So this is a laundry room and an ensuite included. So see those pockets, how they line up? You're gonna wanna lay everything dry, pre-cut everything before you install. So what I did was this is all dry cut, and I'm gonna continue and just giving you a rundown and see how I mark every course, just like that. And then you continue throughout the laundry room and the ensuite. All right, so everything's been pre-cut and it's not installed yet, it's just dry. Like I said, make sure these pockets are all lined up. And the reason why you want that is because when you install your warm wire, you don't want to zigzag on your second course, third course, and so forth. All right, the toilet flange there. Okay, so you don't have to take it all out, just take maybe a couple out. So grab yourself a pail of water, clean pail of water, because you're going to need to wash the floor in every course before you install it. So that is my Ditra trowel. It's just a little under a 1/4 inch. You can use a 1/4 inch, and this is what I use to run along the Ditra just to make sure it bonds good to the floor with the cement. All right, and I'm going to show you my mixture. You're going to want to make it like a pancake batter. You can make it just a little bit more loose, but don't forget, because you're washing each floor with the course, you're going to it's going to be a little bit wet, so it'll work out perfect for you. All right, let's get rocking over here. So as you can see, I'm using a sponge just to clean the floor, because the compound or anything that's loose, you need to clean that floor each course. And I'm just going to lay everything down, and I'm using my clean trowel to put pressure on that Ditra. And you just keep continuing like that throughout the whole bathroom and laundry room. Just make sure, guys, you line up all those pockets, and I'll show you later on what I'm talking about. And don't step on it. Use like a piece of wood to get a little bit closer. If you step on it with your feet, you'll put some air pockets in there. So that's why I use a 2x4 or a plank, or even a scrap piece of Ditra. You can use that as well, just so you don't have any air pockets when you're stepping on it. Sometimes some areas can be a little bit hard to get to, so it's good to have that piece of wood with you. Okay, and just keep continuing like that. Unfortunately, I have to start from the front door, because to your right is that laundry room, and I need to make sure that all my pockets are going to line up. So, like I said, that plank is going to help me out to get back and forth. All right. And just keep going. Somebody is going to do the father-in-law is going to do the showers, so they just want me to do all the floors in this house. This is a new builder that I'm going to get, but this is his father's place, so the father-in-law wants to help out as well. And I'm actually teaching him some stuff. He's a great man. I really enjoy having conversations with him, and I told him about my YouTube page, and he's going to use that to help him. He does do some tiles for himself a little bit. He's kind of retired, but semi-retired, so he loves doing this. Anyways, come back for the heat wire install. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. That always helps. Thank you.